It starts with a single pregnant Ophthalmosaurus, followed by hundreds more of her kind. All are gathering here from deeper water to give birth. The Ophthalmosaurus are starting to give birth. Most sea reptiles return to the land to lay eggs, but not Ophthalmosaurus. They give birth to live young. This frees the adults from the need to crawl out of the water and has allowed them to evolve their fish-like shapes. A single female has between 2 and 5 pups, but since they are air breathers, the young must be born tail first. Otherwise they would drown in the time it takes them to escape from the mother. The newborn pups have just a few seconds to reach the surface and take their first breath. From the moment they are born, the little pups are vulnerable. These waters are full of predators. Even adult Ophthalmosaurus will eat the offspring of others to increase the chance of survival for their own pups. The only real safety is amongst the crags of coral.